Hi, I'm Mike from Cortland Research, and I'm going to tell you about another of the many applications that POUNCE systems can be used for to reduce your energy costs. When trying to reduce energy consumption, it's important to know where power is being used and when. With POUNCE devices, you can set power thresholds to alert you when consumption has risen above or fallen below a certain threshold. These alerts contain useful information such as the device where the threshold crossing occurred, the location of that device in your building, and the timestamp of when the event happened. When triggered, an alert icon will appear on the dashboard to inform the user. After clicking on the icon, the user is brought to a separate page that displays details about the alert, including the device where the alert occurred and the nature of the alert. In addition, alerts can be forwarded to a user's email address or sent as a text message to a phone. In addition to sending an alert, a user can also configure a device to turn on or turn off if a threshold is crossed. For example, consider this portable heater. A user can set a power threshold and configure this device to automatically turn off upon exceeding that threshold. Let me show you. This outlet is configured to shut itself off if the power consumed exceeds 1300 watts. When I turn the heater to its low setting, the outlet remains on. But once I select the high setting, the power threshold is crossed and the device automatically turns itself off. In addition to power thresholds, POUNCE devices can also be configured to operate based on temperature thresholds. For example, consider a scenario where a POUNCE device controls a fan load in a room. That device can be configured with a temperature threshold such that the device automatically turns on the fan when that temperature threshold is exceeded. Let's take a look at an example here. This outlet has been configured to automatically turn itself on once the temperature exceeds 80 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's warm things up a bit. The temperature is exceeded and the fan turns on. I also configured text alerts. Hey, look at that! There's a maximum temperature threshold that occurred at device 00ED in the conference room. That's this one. Taking this one step further, threshold crossings can also be used to turn other POUNCE devices on and off. For example, we've reconfigured this outlet to turn the POUNCE switch that controls the overhead lights on when the temperature threshold is crossed. So let's see that. The temperature rises and the overhead lights turn on. Now remember, POUNCE is for energy management. It's not for circuit protection or other safety features. Thanks for watching today and learning a little bit about POUNCE systems thresholds. Stay tuned for more application videos on what the POUNCE system can do to help you reduce your energy costs.